Good morning, my little kids. Welcome to your English class. Our topic today is it an airplane? ¿Es este un avión? We are going to start. Now we are going to watch a video. Okay, you have to watch, listen, and pay attention, my little kids. We are going to start at the count of 3, 2, 1.
Talking flashcards. Vehicles. Are you ready? Here we go. Airplane. Airplane. Bicycle. Bicycle. Fire engine. Fire engine. Train. Train. Helicopter. Helicopter. Bulldozer. Bulldozer. Ambulance. Ambulance. Car. Car. Ship. Ship. Rocket. Rocket. Truck. Truck. Bus. Bus. Dump truck. Dump truck. Police car. Police car. Taxi. Taxi. Motorcycle. Motorcycle. Airplane. Airplane. Bicycle. Bicycle. Fire engine. Fire engine. And train. Train. Helicopter. Helicopter. Bulldozer. Bulldozer. Ambulance. Ambulance. And car. Car. Airplane. Airplane. Bicycle. Bicycle. Fire engine. Fire engine. And train. Train. Helicopter. Helicopter. Bulldozer. Bulldozer. Ambulance. Ambulance. And car. Car.
It's time to check our grammar, okay? My little kids, who can tell me? Is it a bicycle? No. Is it a motorbike? Yes. Yes, it is. It is a motorbike, okay? My little kids, is it a truck? No. Is it a car? Yes. Yes, it is. Is it a car? Yes, it is. Okay? Listen to me. Is it an airplane? No. Is it a truck? Yes. Is it a bicycle? No. No, it isn't. No, it isn't. My little kids. Is it a helicopter? No, it isn't. It is a bicycle. Very good, my little kids. We continue. Is it a ship? Yes, it is. Is it a van? Yes, it is. Is it an airplane? Yes, it is. Is it an ambulance? Yes, it is. Is it a truck? No, it isn't. Is it a motorbike? No, it isn't. Is it a bicycle? No, it isn't. Is it a ship? No, it isn't. It is a boat. Okay, my little kids, remember, if you say yes, yes it is. If you say no, no it isn't. Okay, mis queridos niños, entonces hemos revisado por aquí algunas preguntas con respuestas cortas. Ok, si tu respuesta empieza con yes, termina en is. Si tu respuesta empieza con no, termina en isn't. ¿Ok? Siempre así. Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Remember that. Okay, my little kids. Now, it's time to practice. Hora de práctica. Empezamos entonces con nuestra primera ficha. We have here our first worksheet. Okay? Paint the correct answer, then find the shadow and circle. ¿Ok? Pinta la respuesta correcta y luego encuentra la sombra y enciérrala. ¿Ok? We start. Is it an airplane? Is it an airplane? No, it is a helicopter. Entonces ustedes tienen que colorear el recuadrito de no. Okay, you have to color no. You can use your favorite color. Puedes utilizar tu color favorito. Okay, you have to color no. Okay, and the helicopter. Okay, después de colorear el helicopter, vamos a encontrar its shadow, su sombra. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Very good. This is its shadow. Esta es su sombra. Excellent. We continue, my little kids. Number 2. Is it a car? Is it a car? Yes, very good. You have to color yes and the car. You have to color yes and the car. Okay? And we are going to find its shadow. Where is its shadow? ¿Dónde está su sombra? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Very good. This is its shadow. Esta es su sombra. Excellent work, my little kids. We continue. Number 3. Is it a ship? Is it a ship? Yes, very good. You have to color yes and the ship. Entonces tienes que colorear el recuadro de yes y el barquito, the ship. Okay, you can use your favorite colors. Puedes usar tus colores favoritos. And then we are going to find its shadow. Ahora vamos a encontrar su sombra. Where is its shadow? Where is it? Where is it? Very good. It is its shadow. Okay, we continue with number 4. Is it a truck? Is it a truck? No, it is a train. It is a train. Very good. You have to color no, okay, no, and the train. And then we are going to find its shadow. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Very good. It is its shadow. Esta es su sombra. Excellent work, my little kids. We continue. Now we have here our second worksheet. Por aquí tenemos nuestra segunda ficha. Look and answer. Observa y responde. Is it a ship? Is it a ship? No, it is a car. No, it isn't. No, it isn't. It is a car. Okay, very good. Now we continue with our second question. Is it an airplane? Is it an airplane? Very good. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It is an airplane. Very good, my little kids. We continue. Next question. Is it a truck? Is it a truck? Very good, my little kids. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It is a truck. Excellent. And finally, is it a bicycle? Is it a bicycle? No, it isn't. It is a ship. It is a ship. Excellent work, my little kids. Remember to color the pictures, okay? Recuerda colorear las imágenes. You can use your favorite colors, my little kids, okay? Now, it's time to say goodbye. This is a way to say goodbye, to say goodbye, to say goodbye. This is a way to say goodbye, to say goodbye to you. Goodbye, my little kids. Have a nice day.